Hey everyone, it's Marks here. We're about to dive into something super practical today. Excel. It's the tool everyone uses, but not everyone really. So we're gonna change that. We're talking about the top 20 free AI tools that'll completely change your Excel game, make you faster, smarter, and way more efficient. Whether you're crunching numbers all day or just need to organize your life, these tools are game changers. This isn't just a list video though. We're gonna break down what each tool does, how it works, and why you'll actually want to use it. Stick around. Trust me, your spreadsheets will thank you. First up is Excel Solver. This isn't your average tool. This is like having a mini AI consultant built right into Excel. Imagine you've got a ton of variables like budget constraints, resource limits, all that fun stuff. Solver takes those constraints and figures out the way to maximize or minimize whatever you need. Want to maximize profit? Minimize costs? Solver's got your back. It's a little hidden within Excel, but once you unlock it, you'll be amazed at what it can do. Next we've got Power Query, and if you're dealing with data from multiple sources, this is your new best friend. Think about pulling in data from different spreadsheets, web pages, databases. It can get messy fast. Power Query cleans it all up automatically. It can connect to all these sources, shape the data the way you want it, and even automate the whole process so you don't have to do it manually every time. Seriously, if you spend any time at all wrestling with data, Power Query is a lifesaver. Now we're getting into some real analytical power with the Data Analysis Tool Pack. This one's for all you data nerds out there. It's packed with statistical and engineering analysis tools. We're talking regression analysis, histograms, t-tests, ANOVA, the whole shebang. It's like having a stats textbook come to life inside Excel. So if you need to run some serious number crunching, find patterns in your data, or impress your boss with your statistical prowess, the Data Analysis Tool Pack is your go-to. Chapter 4, XLStat, Statistical Powerhouse, Excel Style. Up next is XLStat, another heavy hitter when it comes to statistical analysis. This one's a powerful add-in that seamlessly integrates with Excel, giving you access to a whole suite of advanced statistical tools. We're talking everything from basic descriptive stats to complex modeling techniques, all within the familiar Excel environment. It's like having a full-fledged statistical software package without the hefty price tag. XLStat is definitely worth checking out if you're serious about data analysis in Excel. Chapter 5. Solver Addin What-If Analysis on Steroids. Remember Solver from earlier? Well, the Solver Addin takes what-if analysis to a whole new level. It lets you run multiple simulations with different scenarios, changing variables and seeing the impact on your results in real time. It's like having a crystal ball for your data, letting you explore different possibilities and make more informed decisions. Want to see how changing your pricing strategy might affect your profits? Solver Addin can show you. This is a game changer for anyone who needs to make data-driven decisions. Chapter 6, ASAP Utilities, Excel's Swiss Army Knife. Now let's talk about ASAP Utilities, an add-in that's like a Swiss Army knife for Excel. It's packed with over 300 tools and features that fill in the gaps in Excel's functionality. We're talking about things like advanced sorting and filtering, data cleaning tools, sheet management features, and so much more. It's like having a personal Excel assistant that can handle all those tedious tasks that slow you down. ASAP Utilities is a must-have for anyone who wants to save time and boost their productivity in Excel. Chapter 7. CTools for Excel. 300+ ways to supercharge your spreadsheets. CTools for Excel is another fantastic add-in that brings a ton of extra functionality to the table. With over 300 advanced functions and tools, it covers everything from data manipulation to text processing, chart creation, and more. It's designed to make your life easier by simplifying complex tasks and automating repetitive actions. Whether you're a seasoned Excel pro or just starting out, CTools has something to offer everyone. It's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a comprehensive set of tools to enhance your Excel experience. Chapter 8, Excel Forecast Sheet. Predicting the future, one cell at a time. Ever wish you could predict the future? Well, with Excel's forecast sheet, you can get pretty darn close. This built-in feature lets you create a forecast worksheet that predicts future values based on your existing data. It uses powerful algorithms to analyze trends and patterns, giving you insights into what might happen down the line. Whether you're forecasting sales, inventory, or even just trying to get a handle on your personal budget, the forecast sheet is an incredibly useful tool. It takes the guesswork out of forecasting and gives you data-driven predictions you can rely on. Chapter 9. Excel Analysis Tool Pack Deep Dive into Data Analysis. We already touched on the Data Analysis Tool Pack, but this tool is so powerful it deserves a second look. Seriously, this thing is a data scientist's dream come true, right inside Excel. It lets you perform complex statistical and engineering analyses, giving you deep insights into your data that you wouldn't be able to get otherwise. We're talking about things like correlation and covariance analysis, Fourier transforms, moving averages, and a whole lot more. If you're serious about data analysis, the Excel Analysis Tool Pack is an absolute must-have. Chapter 10. Excel Data Model, Building Your Own Data Universe. Now let's talk about the Excel Data Model. This feature lets you integrate data from multiple tables, creating a relational data source right within your Excel workbook. It's like building your own mini database, allowing you to analyze data from different sources in a more powerful and efficient way. You can create relationships between tables, define keys, and build complex data models that would make even a database administrator proud. The Excel Data Model is a game changer for anyone who works with large amounts of data from different sources. Chapter 11. Excel Power Pivot Data Analysis on Steroids. Power Pivot takes data analysis to a whole new level. It's a powerful add-in that lets you work with massive datasets, perform complex calculations, and build sophisticated data models. We're talking about handling millions of rows of data without breaking a sweat. It's like having a supercharged engine for your Excel spreadsheets, allowing you to analyze data with lightning speed and efficiency. If you're dealing with large datasets or need to perform advanced data analysis, Power Pivot is an absolute game changer. Chapter 12. Excel Power Map, Visualizing Data in 3D. Let's face it, sometimes spreadsheets can feel a little flat, but with Excel Power Map, you can bring your data to life in stunning 3D. This amazing tool lets you plot geographical and temporal data on a 3D map, creating interactive visualizations that are both informative and engaging. Imagine seeing your sales data mapped out across different regions, or tracking the spread of a trend over time. It's a whole new way to experience and understand your data. Power Map is perfect for presentations, reports, or just exploring your data in a more visual and intuitive way. Chapter 13. Excel Powerviiew, Interactive Data Exploration at your fingertips. Powerviiew is another fantastic tool for data visualization and exploration. It lets you create interactive reports, dashboards, and presentations that bring your data to life. You can easily filter, sort, and drill down into your data, all while seeing the results update in real time. It's like having a dynamic dashboard that lets you explore your data from every angle. Powerviiew is perfect for creating compelling presentations, sharing insights with your team, or simply getting a better understanding of your data yourself. Chapter 14. Excel Power BI, the Data Analytics Powerhouse. Power BI is more than just an Excel tool. It's a comprehensive business analytics service that integrates seamlessly with Excel. It takes all the powerful features we've been talking about and supercharges them, giving you access to even more advanced analytics, data visualization, and sharing capabilities. With Power BI, you can connect to virtually any data source, transform and model your data, create stunning interactive reports, and share your insights with anyone, anywhere. It's like having an entire data analytics team at your fingertips. Chapter 15. Excel Addins, Unlocking a World of Possibilities. We've already talked about some amazing Excel add-ins, but the possibilities are truly endless. There's a whole world of add-ins out there, each designed to solve specific problems or enhance Excel's functionality in unique ways. Whether you need to automate tasks, analyze financial data, manage projects, or anything in between, there's probably an add-in out there that can help. Exploring the world of Excel add-ins is like going on a treasure hunt. You never know what amazing tools you might discover. Chapter 16. Excel macros automating the mundane, unleashing creativity. Macros are like little programs you can create within Excel to automate repetitive tasks. They can do everything from formatting cells to running complex calculations, saving you countless hours of manual work. Once you start using macros, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. They're like having a personal assistant that can handle all those tedious tasks you hate doing. But macros aren't just about automation, they can also unlock a whole new level of creativity in Excel. Chapter 17. Excel VBA, the power of programming right in your spreadsheet. Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA, is a programming language that's built right into Excel. It's what powers macros, but it can do so much more. With VBA you can create custom functions, automate complex tasks, build interactive user forms, and even control other Office applications. Learning VBA is like gaining a superpower in the world of Excel. It gives you the ability to do things that would be impossible with regular formulas and functions. It's not for the faint of heart, but if you're willing to put in the time, VBA can unlock a whole new level of Excel mastery. Chapter 18. Excel Templates, your shortcut to spreadsheet success. Sometimes you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Excel templates are pre-built spreadsheets that are designed for specific purposes. There are templates for everything from budgets and invoices to calendars and project plans. Using templates can save you a ton of time and effort, especially if you're not a spreadsheet wizard. Plus, they can help ensure that you're using best practices and following standard formats. Microsoft offers a huge library of free templates, and you can also find tons of great templates online. Chapter 19. Excel Online Collaboration in the Cloud. Excel Online is the web-based version of Excel that's available for free with a Microsoft account. It might not have all the bells and whistles of the desktop version, but it's still a powerful tool, especially for collaboration. With Excel Online, you can work on spreadsheets with others in real time, just like you would with Google Docs. You can see each other's changes as they happen, making it easy to stay in sync and avoid version control issues. Plus, your spreadsheets are always saved in the cloud so you can access them from anywhere. Chapter 20. Google Sheets, the free spreadsheet powerhouse. We can't talk about Excel without mentioning its worthy adversary, Google Sheets. This free web-based spreadsheet application offers many of the same features as Excel, with a slightly different interface and a strong focus on collaboration. Google Sheets makes it super easy to share spreadsheets with others and work on them together in real time. It also has some unique features like built-in version history, offline editing, and powerful add-ons. If you're looking for a free and collaborative spreadsheet solution, Google Sheets is definitely worth checking out. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 20 free AI tools and features for Excel that can seriously level up your spreadsheet game. We've covered everything from basic optimization to advanced data analysis, automation, visualization, and even a little bit of programming. Remember, Excel is an incredibly powerful tool, and with these tools at your disposal, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So go forth, experiment, and unlock the full potential of Excel. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and reviews. And be sure to let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try out. Catch you in the next one.